Amcrest is proud to introduce the new 1080p Wi-Fi video doorbell that is built with the same high-quality components and amazing image quality that all of our customers have come to love and trust. This Wi-Fi doorbell provides magnificent high-definition video resolution and boasts a super-wide 140-degree viewing angle, up to 16 feet night vision with infrared motion detection, as well as two-way talk communication, motion alert notifications, and mobile viewing, all visible directly from your smartphone device using the Amcrest Smart Home app. The Amcrest Video Doorbell is designed to provide added security as well as peace of mind and connect you with what matters most from anywhere. In this video, our professional installer will show you how to install your new video doorbell, including the Chime Kit. Also, please use the subsequent app setup video to connect your video doorbell to your mobile device using the Amcrest Smart Home app.
Now let's install the doorbell. Everything you need for the installation of your Amcrest Wi-Fi doorbell is included in the box. The doorbell, 2 faceplates, Chime Kit, mounting materials, and a dual-bit screwdriver with a Phillips head end used for mounting screws, and a star-shaped Torx key for the security screw. The mounting materials include mounting screws used to mount the doorbell to the installation surface, optional wall anchors used to secure the mounting screws, wire extenders and connectors used to extend the doorbell wiring if needed, security screw used to secure the doorbell to the mounting bracket. Please note, a drill may be required if installing the doorbell on concrete, stucco, or brick. Installing the Chime Kit. The included Chime Kit ensures that adequate power is provided to your doorbell and allows the device to sync to your existing chime. Upon installation, it is important that this component is installed correctly to properly set up your doorbell. Connect the wire harness to the Chime Kit. First, turn off the circuit breaker for your doorbell. Although doorbells generally use low voltage, we will be working with electrical wiring, so be sure to shut off the power to your doorbell at the electrical breakers of your home to ensure no power is flowing through the internal doorbell system. Remove the cover for your existing chime. Locate and loosen the screws on the front and trans terminals. Be sure to leave the existing doorbell wires in place. Connecting the Chime Kit. Connect the green wire harness to the Chime Kit. Then connect the wires on the wire harness to the front and trans terminals respectively. It does not matter to which terminal the wires are connected as long as both make good contact with the terminals and the existing wires. Then retighten the screws. When finished, secure the Chime Kit inside or outside the doorbell. The updated Chime Kit will have adhesive on the reverse side to make mounting simple. If you have a traditional mechanical chime, ensure that all excess wires and the Chime Kit are clear of the metal chimes inside the device. Once complete, replace the cover on your chime. Uninstalling the mounting bracket. The Amcrest doorbell comes with the mounting bracket pre-attached in the box. Use the included screwdriver to remove the security screw from the bottom of the doorbell and separate the bracket from the doorbell. On the sides of the doorbell, there are small grooves used to place your fingernail or a thin flat object to separate the faceplate from the doorbell. It is a good practice to remove the faceplate before mounting the doorbell to protect it from accidental scratches during installation. Inserting a microSD card. After removing the faceplate, the microSD card slot will be accessible. A microSD card can be used to store events. The doorbell is compatible with cards up to 128 gigabytes. To install a microSD card, locate the microSD card slot on the side of the device, under the reset button, and raise the flap. Insert the microSD card with the gold contacts facing toward the front of the doorbell, and press to secure the card into the device. Secure the flap over the card slot, and press in to secure in place. Uninstall your existing doorbell. Now let's go outside to install the doorbell. To get started, remove your existing doorbell from the wall and disconnect the wires. These are the wires we will be using to install your new Amcrest Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. Installing the mounting bracket. Run the existing doorbell wires through the opening on the mounting bracket, and use the mounting bracket to mark the location of the 3 mounting holes on the mounting surface. If you are installing on a hard surface, such as concrete, stucco, or brick, drill holes on the install surface according to the markings and hammer in the wall anchors. Use the included Phillips head screwdriver and screws to attach the mounting bracket to the mounting surface. Please ensure not to cover up any wiring. Connect the wiring. If you are using the wire extenders, you can connect them either to the doorbell or the existing doorbell wires in the wall, depending on your preference. In this video, we are going to demonstrate by connecting the wire extenders to the doorbell first, and then to the wires on the wall. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 terminal screws on the back of the doorbell. Insert the terminal screws into the dedicated screw opening on the wire extender, and attach them back onto the terminals on the video doorbell. Tighten the screws to secure the wires to the terminals. Next, align the ends of the wire extenders with the existing doorbell wires, and twist them together. Insert them into the holes on the wire nuts, and tighten by turning the wire nut clockwise. As an alternate method, you could simply attach the existing doorbell wires directly to the terminals and tighten the screws with the screwdriver without the use of the wire extenders. If the wires are too short, you can use the longer secondary wire extenders and connectors to attach the doorbell wires to the doorbell. Mounting the doorbell. Once the wires are securely connected, feed the wiring back into the wall and place the doorbell onto the mounting bracket. Slide in the top groove first. Then, using the screwdriver, secure the doorbell to the mounting bracket with the security screw on the bottom of the doorbell. If you removed the faceplate prior, you can now snap the faceplate back onto the front of the device. Turn the breaker back on. Give the doorbell 3 to 5 minutes to power up, and the blue light around the button will illuminate. Congratulations! You have successfully mounted your Amcrest Video Doorbell. Now it's time to configure the doorbell in the Amcrest Smart Home App. Please see the next video to complete the doorbell setup and access features using the app. We hope this video has helped you mount your Amcrest Video Doorbell. Thanks for watching.